In this overview of 3D Seller's eBay Listings Manager, we will explore how to use 3D Seller's Bulk Actions menu to edit multiple eBay listings. Let's take a look at how to edit price, quantity, categories, and location, find and replace text, change eBay business policies, or generate missing SKUs or custom labels. See timestamps in the description for individual feature overviews. To edit multiple items, select the items you wish to edit with the checkboxes on the left of each item. You can also apply filters and select all listings with the top left checkbox. After selecting listings to edit, you can make common edits to listings with the Quick Edit option in the Bulk Actions menu. You can edit the prices by a dollar or percentage amount, or to a set value. You can edit the quantities the same by increment or a set value. You can easily change the eBay category, or if you have an eBay store subscription, you will have the option to set a store category. And lastly, you can update the location of the selected items. Select the Find and Replace bulk action to replace or delete repeated information in your listings. In the pop-up, you will have options to find text in the title, description, and item-specific values. You can also choose to ignore the capitalization of your search query with the Ignore Case option. For advanced use, you can search with a regex query by enabling the PHP regex option. In the Find field, type the text you want to search for, and in the Replace, enter the new text. If you'd like to remove text, simply enter a space in the Replace field. Select the Set Policies option from the Bulk Actions menu to change the business policies of multiple items. You can either select a policy or use the Don't Change option to leave the current policy. If you need to generate SKUs for items that don't have a custom label yet, use the Generate Missing SKUs option in the Bulk Actions menu. If you would like, you can enter a custom prefix. Otherwise, random unique SKUs will be generated. If you'd like to review how-to and help articles for this tool, use the Help button at the top of your screen. Also, you can use our Messenger bot to send us a message, search for other articles, and request features. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.